How to remove start button on your Miracle Thunder. I see someone asking me a question on my comment section that he want to know how to remove to fix the start button not working on your Miracle Thunder. So let me launch the Miracle Thunder, then I will show you how to remove it. So it's very simple. It's very simple to remove the start button not working. So let's wait while the software load. You know, it's very heavy, so it takes small seconds before it will appear. All right, it's here now. So whenever you see this start button is tick, let me choose a file. Let me just click it like this. Whenever you see it like this automatic without you touching it or click it, then you need to come back. Even though when you see it like this by itself, even though you click this stop button, it will not stop because it will already be tick, automatically be tick. So whenever you click this one, it will not work. So what you do, how to fix it now, you cancel it this way, then come to the file itself, that software itself. Whenever you come to the allow your arrow to be on the top, then click on your option, not okay here. Click on your option here like this. Click on the option, then locate where they write open file location. I hope you are seeing it. Open file location. Then you open it this way. Then it will bring you to this interface. So what you do now is you're going to scroll up this way. You know, it's down like this. So you scroll up this way. Then open this box data. When you open it, you will find a file called, you open this place, look at the file here. It's called handle. Look at the file here, handle. Delete it. You delete it this way. It's already been deleted. So check this place again, this data. Check it. If at all you see. Some cases you might see it too. So it's good for you to check the second place. When you see it again, delete it for the second time. Then you close this folder. Then come back to your recycle bin and delete the file from the recycle bin again. As you can see, whenever you delete it this way, then your problem is solved. You will never have problem with that start button issue again. It already be solved. That is the easiest way to fix that start button. Share the video, please, guys.